The sum of the squares of roots of absolute x minus 2 square plus absolute x minus 2 minus 2 equal to 0 and squares of the roots x square minus 2 absolute x minus 3 minus 5 equal to 0 is. Okay. Basically, you need to find the roots of this equation and square them and sum up. Okay. So that's the answer. So take the first equation. First equation, if you look at absolute value is there, but you can consider absolute x minus 2 as t and then solve the problem, right? So absolute x minus 2 plus 2 into absolute x minus 2 minus 1. This is the, if absolute x minus 2 is a variable, then this is the quadratic equation. This is the answer. Okay. So absolute x minus 2 equal to minus 2 or 1. Okay. Now absolute value cannot be negative, right? So this is not possible. Minus 2 is not possible. Only 1 is possible value. So absolute x minus 2 equal to 1 or x minus 2 equal to plus or minus 1, x is equal to 3 or 1. Okay. Now sum of squares of these roots is 9 plus 1, which is 10. Okay. So this is a subtotal. Now second equation you take, we have to consider two cases here. One is x minus 3 is greater than 0 and x minus 3 is less than 0. So first is x minus 3 is greater than 0 or x is greater than 3. Okay. In this case, this is what the equation is, and it is x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Okay, x equal to 1, but x is, the condition we took is x is greater than 3, so x equal to 1 is not possible solution for this one. Okay, so ignore that and then go to the second case where x is less than 3. In this case, the equation becomes x square plus 2x minus 11, which is equal to 0. Okay, this equation will become x square plus 2x minus 11 equal to 0, and these are the roots. And if you check it, just a rough value, you know that one is negative, so which is less than 3, other one also. Okay, other one is also square root of 48, which is, we can say, consider as 7. So 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 by 2 is around 2.5, which is less than 3. So two roots are valid roots. So take square of them. How can we take is this way? This is alpha square. If alpha beta are roots of this equation, alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, which is nothing but 26. You can get values from here. This is alpha plus beta. This is alpha beta, right? So total sum of squares is 36. This is the answer. Thank you.